Disclaimer. Everything in this video is not financial advice, only for education and entertainment. 3 banks just failed in the past week, a crazy week I should say for the world of finance. 2 US banks collapsed in just a couple days and today. A third one. It started on Wednesday, March 8, with Silvergate Bank collapse, a crypto-friendly institution who said that it would be winding down operations and liquidating its bank. Its stock is already down 97% over the past 6 months. Silvergate has served as one of the 2 main banks for crypto companies, along with New York-based Signature Bank. Silvergate had just over $11 billion in total assets at the end of 2022. Bankrupt crypto exchange FTX was a major Silvergate customer, which represented a little less than 10%. Watch until the end and don't miss a very important fact that has only happened 4 times in the last 150 years, and it's officially happening right now. Silicon Valley Bank is the second bank, a commercial bank that served startups and tech companies in California. It was shut down by the FDIC, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. The stock trading was halted. SVB had total assets of $221 billion and total deposits of $173 billion. SVB is the largest bank to collapse since the 2008 financial crisis, and is the second largest bank collapse in U.S. history. Silicon Valley Bank collapsed on Friday after depositors withdrew more than $42 billion following the bank's Wednesday statement that it needed to raise $2.25 billion to shore up its balance sheet. This collapse did not happen because of a bad crypto project investment or bad loans. The occurrence was due to a bank run, in which customers withdrew more funds than the bank could provide, as it relies on customer deposits for lending purposes and cannot retrieve the money instantly. While some view this as an age-old problem, we have not witnessed such a significant scale since the 2008 financial crisis. Over the last 6 months, SVB stock is down 72%. Signature Bank is closed by regulators. It is the third major bank that has fallen in the space of a week, and investors are spooked. The joint announcement that depositors will be protected above the $250,000 guaranteed by the FDIC, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, appears to be meant to reassure banking customers that their money will not be frozen. Signature had $88 billion in deposits as of December 31, 2022. The New York Department of Financial Services has taken possession of the bank. Signature Bank is one of the major banks used in crypto like Silvergate. Signature Bank stock is down 60% in the last 6 months so far. Now, in conclusion, the most scary fact of them all is this. A depression just might have started in a banking crisis in America. The money supply is contracting in this moment. It is down 2% year over year, and it is the first time after almost 100 years that we see a money supply contraction. This happened 4 times only before in U.S. history, and each time that happened, a depression with double-digit unemployment rates followed. Like Nick said, contracting money supply plus inflation is a nasty combination. Because it means there are fewer dollars floating around in the system to pay for the higher prices. At some point the system breaks and a deflationary crash occurs. To summarize this tweet thread, the money supply is contracting in early 2023. Each time this happened before, deflation/depression was the result. Stubbornly high inflation has made many blind to this risk factor. High chance Fed over tightens and causes recession. If history repeats itself, we could be in a deflationary recession/depression. Prices of a lot of things would go down. Houses, rent, commodities, maybe even wages. Unemployment rate would likely skyrocket, maybe to as high as 10%. But government could also step in and save the day, more money printing. Like what happened during pandemic, which would increase money supply growth and sustain inflation. A war would also be a situation where money supply growth and inflation would increase. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Only time will tell what is really gonna happen. Thank you very much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like and subscribe button, and I see you in the next one.
hodl